Are you ready for a mobility scooter that is nothing like you've ever seen before? A mobility scooter that has the amenities of a car, but the convenience of a scooter. A mobility scooter that will turn heads and get you where you need to go in style. Introducing the new eWheels EW54. This four-wheel scooter is going to change the way you view mobility scooters and have you riding with your head held high and proud of the ride you have chosen. Available in red, iridescent orange, and iridescent green, the EW54 has a 500-pound weight capacity and 60-volt batteries, which means it can go 15 miles per hour and travel 45 miles on one single charge. The eWheels EW54 comes with a full windshield and color-coordinated hardtop, which will not only shield you from the rain, but it can also protect you from the sun so that you can ride no matter what the weather conditions. Need space? A large locking cargo box on the back of the seat, along with a compartment under the seat, will help you with all of your storage needs. And for added comfort, the seat is adjustable and the armrests go up and down for easy chair access. You'll also find an easy-to-reach charging port located on the side of the scooter. The EW54 has a twist throttle, foot brake, rear view mirrors, and even a cup holder. But what really sets this scooter apart from the rest is its push-button electric digital dash that includes a clock, odometer, temperature gauge, digital battery indicator, 3 different speed setting controls, push-button reverse, cruise control, and hazard lights, along with high and low beams and running lights. And did we mention the 3-speaker stereo system with USB, auxiliary, and SD card capabilities? Yes, the EW54 will change the way you view mobility scooters, and eWheels is proud to bring it to you. Now the only question is, what color do you want?